These nighttime grooming tips will transform your look overnight.
Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and pollution. A clean face is the first step toward looking fresh in the morning. Extra tip: use a clay mask once a week to remove deep impurities. Exfoliate your face 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin. Applying a face mask before bed will boost hydration and give you that healthy glow. Hydrated skin equals to attractive skin. Use a night serum with vitamin C or hyaluronic acid for a smooth, youthful look. Bonus tip: use an eye cream to reduce dark circles overnight.
Apply a lightweight hair serum or oil before bed to keep your hair smooth. If you have a beard, don't forget to apply beard oil for a soft, well-groomed look.
Extra tip: sleep on a satin pillowcase to prevent hair damage.
A bright smile is attractive. Brush your teeth, floss, and use a whitening toothpaste for fresh breath and clean teeth. Pro tip: use a tongue scraper to eliminate bad breath.
Take a quick night shower to remove dirt and sweat. Use a light moisturizer and apply a subtle cologne for an attractive scent.
Secret hack: apply fragrance to your pulse points for a long-lasting effect. Your hands and feet say a lot about you. Moisturize them before bed and keep your nails clean for a polished, well-groomed look. Extra tip: use coconut oil on your hands and feet overnight for baby soft skin. Trim any extra eyebrow hairs and remove stray facial hair. Well-groomed eyebrows can enhance your facial structure instantly. Pro tip: use tweezers or a facial trimmer to shape your brows. Hydration is key. Drink water before bed and opt for skin-boosting foods like almonds, yogurt, and dark chocolate.
Secret tip: avoid salty foods before bed to prevent bloating in the morning.
A silk pillowcase prevents wrinkles and acne. Sleep on your back for better posture. Avoid screens before bed for deeper sleep. Bonus tip: use a humidifier in your room to keep your skin hydrated. A relaxed mind equals a fresh face. Try deep breathing or light meditation to reduce stress and improve sleep. Extra tip: a 5-minute scalp massage before bed promotes hair growth.
Try these tips and watch your confidence glow up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite tip below.